Look for this Papa Bravo holding point, but we can't locate it on the chart.
Alright, in that case, Papa hold a beam,
I'm telling you,
Emirates Hangar Echo.
Beam Emirates Hangar Echo, Emirates 9278, thank you.
Good morning, ground. This is November 985 for Zulu at Echo 37 parking with information Mike. Request permission for startup.
November 9854 Zulu. Good morning. You're going to have a 777 Emirates passing behind. When he is passed, push and start face east. Or startup is approved.
985 for Zulu. Startup approved after the Emirates aircraft taxis by. Thank you.
9278.
So, special morning here in Dubai. We are getting ready to go and taxiing by all these big A380s of Emirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Zulu, Dubai. After departing, fly Dubai 73, right hand side, line up 30 right behind.
Line up right behind flight Dubai 30, November 985 for Zulu. Alright, Dubai, we're lined up, runway 30, ready for departure. We've just been cleared in the middle of all these big Airbuses and Boeings of Emirates Airlines.
26, November 4, Zulu, Dubai, wind 200 at 7 knots, 30 right, good takeoff.
54 Zulu, clear for takeoff. Thank you, Dubai.
Have a good flight.